We're going to salvage this beautiful cut stone from the foundation, all 1840s, in the cast iron coins on the corners. Those are beautiful windows. Never seen anything like it. And the iron railing with Irish motifs. The iron columns. And the entrance, cast iron with the likeness of the owner, James Clemens. Beautiful. With his wife above him. What a huge shame. And if you look at the solid stone steps, all carved with nice detailing, overhanging detailing, and that's all stone. That's one solid piece of stone. We're going to try to save as much as we can. And there's a church being torn down. That's right next to it. It was a chapel. Again, another huge building. There was a humongous front porch on this building that fell off of it 5 or 6 years ago. And they actually have it in storage. Someone has it in storage. But I have to back up about 100 feet away from this building to be able to take it all in. And with the roof on it, it was another 10 feet higher. 3-story house. Unbelievable. What a shame.